What are the numbers that you need to have for feedback, for meaningful feedback?
Recite the question.
Okay, so the question is, what do you need for meaningful feedback? I'll convert that question into what is traction. I actually have a blog post on the startupfront.org, which talks about, it looks at angel co-investments, and it basically says for the A round, for that first round of thing.
In the cycle.
Oh, so
in the cycle, so you're saying, you're measuring it, how much feedback do you need before you can get beyond that and say, yeah,
I see what you're saying. So I guess the question is, whatever is necessary. So like if you so statistically significant for a large product with no dollars is 1,000 people is statistically significant, or you can do it with 500, right?
30.
As far as research numbers go. So, like, if you were to go out and say, okay, I'm going to build a little widget, I'm going to go up and I'm going to buy 1,000 people to on a search term, on a search term, and I get click-throughs on 1,000 people. What happens on those 1,000 people? Well, that's a pretty statistically significant number of people that have clicked on your ad and gone to your website. If one person then goes through and goes to page 2, you've got a problem. If 50% of them go to page 2 and then leave, so the question is, what are you trying to get them to do? What's that funnel look like? And how do I continually improve it? At some point, you have to ask the question, which is ultimately, my cost of acquisition of somebody and the value that I would ultimately get. And there's ways of testing stuff, but at the end of the day, that's kind of the base number. And I think at 1,000, you're within 2 or 3 percentage points. At 500, you're within 5 or 6 percentage points or something like that. And Ursula back there, who isn't paying attention, would actually know the exact numbers you'd need to know. She's the data specialist expert.
Way to go, Ursula!
So, any other questions?